Hi guys, my name is Agnes. Up next, we're going to cover self-care therapy. Now, what is self-care therapy? It is a therapy that you can manage it yourself, and it is also good for your pain management, and it helps you to release your pain, preserve your own health. Each time when you find that you have any trigger pains in your body, you have any aches and tension in your body, why not help yourself, by releasing some of all these tensions in your body without visiting a doctor, or get pills, to release all this pain. Yeah, so you can diagnose it anytime, anywhere, even at home, in your office. So let's get started. For the first self-care therapy would be headaches and migraine. Now, often headaches and tensions develop from your neck all the way up to your facial muscles and all the way up to your head. So there are a few points that you want to take note of when it comes to massaging your pressure point. So in Mandarin, it's called 穴道. Yeah, so the first point will be your 迎堂穴. So where is 迎堂穴? 迎堂穴 is actually right over at the center of your third eye. So very gently you can use your beauty finger, that's your ring finger and your third finger, press it over at your third eye and hold there just for a few seconds as you close your eyes. Yeah, and then just add some pressure, about 30 seconds, and hold there and continue to breathe. Now once you're done, you can gently just add a little massage. So in a circular momentum, clockwise, and gently go on anti-clockwise. Now if you find that if your one side of your arms is tired, feel free to change it over to the other side and continue with the massage, alright? So this is one of the pressure point, and then from here you can just pull it up over into your forehead towards the top part of your head, which is your 百会穴. Yeah? So normally I would just want to release it, right over at the center of my third eye, and then from here I want to pull it all the way from my forehead into my temple skin, and this is my 太阳穴. Yeah? So gently I want to relax and massage my 太阳穴. So from this 太阳穴, and this is where the top part, from my forehead all the way up to the top of my head, it is well covered. And then from here, we want to use vibrating technique. So the vibrating technique will be at the top of your 百会穴. So from here, once I have finished it, I want to use the palm to tap on top of my crown of my head. So I want to gently just loosen up the tensions by using vibrating effect. Tap it. Now again, each time when you find that one side of your arms is tired, you can always change it over to the other side and continue to work on that vibrating effect. Yeah, so this is one of it, okay? And this is for the headache. Alright, so this is from the top part, from the forehead to the crown of the head. Some headaches can ruin your entire day, especially migraines. Yeah, so whenever you have migraines, in Chinese it is called 偏头痛. Then these are the pressure points that you need to take note of. Yeah, so normally I would like to start off with a release from my 太阳穴, which I've just covered earlier, and then followed by the corner of the eyebrow bone. So if it's right over at the tail end of the eyebrow bone, this pressure point is called 丝竹孔. Right, so you can start off with having your third finger and your ring finger to massage into the tip corner of your eyebrow bone. So you can start massaging in your clockwise and then followed by anti-clockwise. Okay, now do stay here for like 3 seconds, and then you want to move up slightly into the eyebrow tipped corner. So just move about like 1 fingers up into the tip corner of your eyebrow bone. Alright, and then just gently press into the tip of the eyebrow bone. Now this pressure point is called the 鱼腰穴. Yeah. Now if you press it slightly harder, you're going to feel that the tension is released all the way up into the side of the brain. Yeah, so gently just circle in a circular momentum and then reverse the massage on the other side. Alright, and then followed here, you may want to just shift another pressure point all the way into the side, which is just next to the earlobe. Okay, so as you lower down the jaw, you're going to feel there's a hollow effect when you press your fingers into it. So this is your Ting Gong Xue, yeah? So I use my third finger, I gently just press into my Ting Gong Xue, and then gently I lower down the jaw to allow the pressure to move into that hollow. And I close it and release. Okay, so now I lower down my jaw. Now I massage it. Alright, so this will loosen up the tension around the jawline, and also it also affects the base of the jaw. Okay, and then followed by at the back of your ear. So this is another pressure point. This is your Yi Feng Xue. Yeah, so gently press on it over at the back, and then gently hold it there for a while. So gently just massage it in a circular momentum, and then reverse the circle. So these are some of the pressure points that you want to release for migraines and for 偏头痛, yeah, so this is definitely very good for you, yeah, so try that. So after releasing your pressure point with self-care therapy, you can do a simple stretches and simple releasing techniques to help you, to release even more. So I like to integrate the massage together with some stretches. Yeah. So the first stretch for headache would be simple child pose. Yeah. So all you need to do is just stack the block, do your double block, okay, and then come into your kneeling position, rest your forehead on the block, and just relax. So close your eyes, and normally you rest your third eye onto the block, and then just relax. Allow the body to collapse, allow the body to move into its relaxation state, and then just breathe into your postures. Now gently sit up from here and hold here. So the next postures would be a downward dog. Yeah, so you can stack the block and then positions your palms in front of the block. Gently raise your head up and your knees up, and then rest your forehead onto the block. Hold here for 3 or 4 breaths. Take the deep breath, and then just allow your head to rest onto the block. The more you rest, the more you release. So once you're done, come back and relax into your child pose. So the next one, you may want to sit up into your staff pose. Stretch your both legs out, and then stack the blocks up. Okay, whichever height that you're comfortable with, draw hands up and then rest your forehead onto the block. So close your eyes and just relax in these postures. Now once you're done, and slowly, you may want to just sit up, okay, and then gently relax from here. Okay, the next point would be the neck and shoulder massage. Now this will be everybody's favorite because every one of us draws and carry tensions over at our shoulder and our neck area. So let me introduce to you all these pressure points while I turn my back, yeah, so that you are able to see from my back. Okay, so from my back, One of the pressure points that you want to release will be your Feng Ci Xue. So this is where the pressure point is, just right over at the hairline. Alright, just put your 2 fingers, hold and press it there for a while. Okay, and then gently just massage it. So this is one of the release, that is connecting the energy all the way into the neck up into the head. Yeah, so just try to release this area. So the next one would be your Tian Zu Xue. Yeah, so shift it all the way right into the middle. Alright, and then just gently press with your fingers, hold it here, and then just massage it. So this is one of the points that you want to release. And in a anti-clockwise direction. The third point would be your Tian Chuang. So this is your SCM, your sternocleidomastoid. So this is where the neck runs all the way down to the shoulders. Alright, so it connects into your levator scapular muscles. So think of like when you tilt, there's a bulge of muscles up. Just right over at the middle, and this is where you're going to find the pressure point. This is your Tian Chuang. Yeah? So then connect it back to the center, hold it there for a little while. You can use both hands for both sides. Just hold and press there for a while. You're going to feel a lot of energy. Once you're there, massage it clockwise and followed by anti-clockwise. So the last point will be your Jian Jing Xue. So the location is over at the shoulders here, right? So use your 2 fingers, gently press it right on top in the center of your shoulders. Just hold it there for a while. So always use your opposite hands to press instead of the same hand, same shoulders, yeah? And then gently just go on a circular momentum in a clockwise and followed by anti-clockwise. Okay, then you change over to the other side. Okay, press it and go on a clockwise direction and followed by anti-clockwise direction. Exercises that is related to your shoulders and your neck. There are so many exercises in the self-care therapy stretches. So one of it will be your neck rotation. So we're going to start off with the neck rotation first. Now basically the neck is connected into your levator scapular muscles. So you need to open up your shoulders, draw the shoulders back and remain your shoulders extended to the back. Hang it there. Gently just drop the ear down into your left shoulders and just stay there for a little while and then release it. Okay, so just do this for 3 times. Inhale to draw your shoulders back, drop the left ear down and release. 1 more and just open up the shoulders to the back and drop the left ear down and release it. So let's repeat on your left side. So huge range of motion on the shoulders, remain there, drop the right ear down and relax. 1 more, huge rotation and gently pull the right ear down into your right shoulders and release. Last try and just keep your shoulders extended to the back and drop the right ear down. So this is one of your exercise for your neck and shoulders. And then gently release. The next one will be your cow head pose. It's the same concept as you're going to drop your neck down. Okay, so gently reach up your left elbow and then interlock your fingers. So you may want to use a towel to connect with the fingers, connect together right at the back, or you can use your yoga straps. Okay, now keep your left elbow pointing upward. Try not to let it spread out like this. Okay, so it's close to the ear and gently just drop the right ear down into the right shoulder. You're going to feel a lot of release into your side of your neck, your Tian Chuang Xue, and then your SCM. So gently just tuck your chin into your collarbone and then just lift the chin up One more time, drop the chin in and drop the chin out. And now gently drop the ear down into your right shoulders a little bit more and gently release it. So let's change side, yeah? So reach up your right elbow and press it down. Release your left hand, interlock your fingers behind and just remain there for a little while. Okay, so that will give you a nice shoulders, anterior deltoid opening. So from here, drop the left ear down and tuck the chin down and slowly raise your chin up and just allow the nose to point up a little bit. And now let the nose face the front. Drop the left ear further down into your left shoulders and gently release it out and just go on a full shoulders and neck rotations, yeah? So I'm gonna just bring the shoulders all the way to the back and bring it over to the front. Okay, and then next you're gonna just go on a finger interlacing. So when you interlace your finger, think of like, you want to tear the fingers apart. Tuck the chin in, round your back and stretch your elbow forward and draw your chin all the way forward. You're gonna feel a nice release from the shoulders. Okay, and then from here, stretch out your hands. So that's your head press. Interlock your fingers, tuck your chin in. So the movements of your head will be like the head is trying to push into the palm and the palms are pressing down. So the head and the palms are resisting. So that gives you a very nice shoulders and neck stretch. Next, we're going to lift out your head and allow your palms to press into the forehead. So palms are pressing into your head and head is pushing into your palm. So exactly the pressure points that you were massaging on earlier, and now release. Okay, so for a more dynamic stretch, you may want to come down into a cat position. Rest the block in front of you. Okay, so that is the threading the needle. Yeah, so come down into all four. Then you're gonna just extend the back shoulders and the arms facing the front and reach up your hands and wrap your arms into the back. So just allow your knees to lean back a little bit so that the knees and the hips are in balance. So gently just relax into the shoulders. Drop the shoulders down. You're going to feel a lot of release into your neck and shoulders from here. Stay there for one deep breath. Once you're done, palms back, change it over to the other side. Reach up your hands and then tuck it and just try to collapse your shoulders to just feel the heaviness of your head. And once you're done, then gently come back. Next will be your puppy pose. I like to change my block into a vertical position. Then I'm going to rest my chin and my chest close to the block. And I stretch out my hands forward. Then I'm going to remain here for a while. So that gives me a very nice release into the neck, all the way to the shoulders. Once you're done, come on up slowly and come back into your sitting position. The last one will be opening on your shoulders, interlock your fingers behind, and there you go, you have a nice shoulders expansion, and reach up and draw the arms beyond your head. And once you're done, slowly come back, and that gives you a very nice neck and shoulder release.